and welcome to Element Z3, all about barn owls. Barn owls are nocturnal. They like to hunt at night. Their faces are white and heart shaped. Their chests have small brown spots. Their backs are brown with black and white spots. They have sharp talons to catch prey. Barn owls live in many different habitats. They can live in farm buildings, church towers, hollow trees, and cliffs. Some owls like to live in open grasslands, farmlands, and woodlands. Some of these species are also found along the edges of woods. Barn owls eat mostly small mammals. They like to eat rats, mice, and other rodents. Sometimes they eat birds, insects, and even frogs. A wild barn owl usually eats about 4 small mammals per night. This is about 1,460 per year. Question time. Which of these animals would a barn owl most likely eat? What time of day would you most often find a barn owl active? What do barn owls look like? Let me leave you with the answers. Kindly do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care. Thank you.